Opposition leader in the Meghalaya Assembly, Dr. Mukul Sangma, has alleged as illegalities on transportation of coal, even as he maintained that there was no question of having an unclaimed coal in the state. Speaking to reporters after inspecting the coal auction site at Nenkra in East Garo district on Thursday, Dr. Sangma said public auction means everybody has to know. It is an open sale where the particular things that is being auctioned is awarded to the highest bidder. Stating that there is a patronage by people in authority on the illegalities in transportation and auction of coal, the leader of opposition said, there is a need to send a strong message, otherwise what is happening is that people who are engaged in the illegalities are getting emboldened because it is likely that there is a patronage.
Findings, I'll be writing to the Chief Secretary, and in response to which I expect the Chief Secretary to proceed as per law. There is a need to send a strong message. Otherwise, what is happening is that people who are engaging in these illegalities are getting emboldened, because it's likely that there is a patronage. Unless there is a patronage by people in authority, you cannot have this kind of illegalities happening in the state of Meghalaya. You have never seen it in the past. Have you seen it during the time when we had the privilege of running the government? Never happened. So therefore, it's time for us to save the state, from the kind of infamous narratives that are being circulated across the region, across the nation. Meghalaya has always been known for good things. We are proud of the legacy, the name and fame, the reputation of our state. And that is exactly what we want to restore. You have seen the repeated denial coming from the government. Not from anybody else, but from the Chief Minister himself. In spite of people trying to draw the attention of the government and the Chief Minister himself, you have seen what was the response. And the same thing has been discussed a number of times even in the August House. What is the response? There is hardly any attempt to even find out, to verify whether such allegations are actually having any substance. Now, only when a complaint or an allegation is brought before you, only when you try to verify it, then only you know the truth. But if you do not have, if you are in an authority, if you do not have the desire, rather you stonewall. Now, you have seen the statement of the Lok Ayukta. What does it speak? The statement of Lok Ayukta, in fact, it is more of a expression of both anger and frustration that the power that may be are trying to actually stonewall any process of verifying such illegalities happening. Forget about going after the perpetrators. Therefore, the depth of the problem, if you want to know, you have to go to the sites. That's why I have met my people to really find out. I've been hearing, people have been coming. This is also an offshoot of the input which was provided to me in writing by one of the concerned, vigilant citizen of the state. And we must encourage them. If they write to us and we don't respond, then what happens? Everybody will then decide not to say anything. And probably we'll start thinking we are we belong to same birds of feeder. They'll start painting us with the same brush. And this is not going to happen. We have built this state. We have set a new benchmark of governance. You have seen it in the past. And that has to be restored.